Hi, my name is Jazzy, and the group I dance for is Hitia Otera, and I'm competing at Heiva San Diego 2017, and my theme is flower. So on my costume headpiece, I have a plumeria, different colors, and then I have a fern, and then I don't know what these are, but then I have crotons. Yay! So when I have fresh, I dance better because I love fresh. Oh yeah, shout out to my mom for making this.